The Theme Encode team is proud to announce its latest creation, Bundle Divi Layouts by TNC. A great product is now available on the Elegant Themes marketplace. This is a complete set of pre-made footer layouts made specifically for Divi. In this pack you will get 80 header layouts, 44 footer layouts, 17 testimonials layouts, 19 FAQ layouts, 22 pricing tables with toggle buttons, and 100 plus gallery layouts including sliders. We are constantly updating our layout packs, so our layout list will grow rapidly. Now let's see some beautiful layouts. Header layouts. Choose from 80 unique header layouts, catering to a variety of styles and industries, divided into 3 categories: basic, advanced, and e-commerce. Footer layouts. With this footer layout pack, you can enhance your website's closing statement. There are 44 layouts in total. Testimonials layouts. With 17 unique testimonial sections created just for your Divi website, this pack empowers you to showcase client praise and success stories in a visually stunning manner. FAQ layouts. If you are still confused about how to make a FAQ section on your Divi website, you can just get this unique pre-made FAQ section by Theme Encode and implement on your site. Pricing table layouts. Say goodbye to hours of design and development work. Our pricing table layout pack saves you time and effort, so you can focus on what truly matters. There are toggle options where you can switch between 2 pricing options easily. Gallery layouts. You will get 100 plus unique gallery layouts including sliders. Each layout is tailored to suit various industries and design preferences. This gallery layout makes your website more attractive and useful to your visitors. If you want this unique bundle layout pack, you need to go to the Elegant Themes marketplace and search for the Bundle Divi Layouts by TNC, and you will find it. After that, you will see all the details, reviews, support, documentation, and any kind of information about this bundle layout pack. Click Live Demo to view each demo layouts before purchasing this. This is an optimized layouts pack for Divi. Here you can see all the demo layouts. If you want to know more about this Bundle Divi Layouts by TNC, visit divi.themencode.com.